Alright, so Hartshorn Funny Farm tour September 2nd, 2020. Got the beans growing in really well, starting to flower, so we should start to see some beans on there. Bunch of purple basil. That's looking kind of yellow on the top. Bottoms are purple though. I don't know why they're, I think maybe the heat. It's been a little too hot. I got some lettuces doing really well. It's like an oriental mix. Got some bok choy and some other stuff in it. And some more lettuce. And kale. And then we got this box is prepped and ready for garlic when it comes in. That'll be going in soon. All the potatoes and stuff up here are starting to get to the end of life. They're starting to fall over. I guess in a couple weeks more we'll be able to collect a good harvest of potatoes. Oh, got one other thing we missed out here. I finally finished the Alice in Wonderland topsy-turvy garden thing. And we put it right here. Just need to get some flowers to put in it now. And then, oh, it's kind of hot today. I think it's mid-90s. Going around the back, we'll check this out. Stop by and see the chickens. Chickens doing chicken stuff as usual. No eggs. Peppers, we just pulled a bunch of stuff off recently, so bell peppers doing good. We've been pulling a bunch of those. Got some more eggplant coming in. We've had a bunch of those lately. We've been eating a lot of eggplant. Peppers, more peppers. Tomatoes, still kicking. I thought they had died off by now, but I mean, they just got fruit all over the place. This thing's loaded up with them. Bunch here. We've been losing some to some bugs. Like that one's got a hole in it. Then we planted a bunch of stuff in here that's doing good. More lettuces, kales and stuff. Bean plants. Over here we got radishes, beets, and turnips. Cherry tomatoes are I think they're starting to wind down. Those aren't going to last too much longer. But who knows? I said that last time and then they came back with a vengeance. More peppers. Like I said, we got peppers everywhere. Okra plant's doing awesome. I've had a ton of okra. Zelda likes just cutting them in half. Put them in the air fryer for about 14 minutes. Stir them halfway through. Shake on some flavor and they're good to go. Cabbage. Starting to form the heads on it, it looks like. And broccoli. Had to pull a couple of them. They fell over. These little watermelons have just exploded. They've got little buds all over the place. I'm trying to find one. We had some that were pretty decent size. I don't know where they're hiding. I don't see them now. tomatoes again. Like, this thing's just loaded up with tomatoes all over the place. Looks like there's a few that are about ready to come off. Flowers are doing good. All the herb. This is all we're gonna pull this stuff out. Leave the herbs. I think we're just gonna do herbs in this next year. No tomatoes or anything. Corn. They're doing pretty good. We got a couple that just are kind of short, stubby, not doing too well. We'll see what happens. Some cucumbers over here that were from seed. Starting to get their second set of leaves on them, so they'll start sprawling out all over the place after that. Let's see, what else? Artichoke. And the okra over here is just going nuts. There's just pods all over the place. Lots and lots of okra. I think we got the last batch of purple string beans off of here. I think that's about done. Finally pulled out all the sunflowers. Had a bunch of them. Toasted up the seeds and flavored them and sent them down to my niece because she's a sunflower seed addict. And some of these, I forgot what these are called. Some kind of candy cane something. They're doing good. Of course, the roses. Rose plant that never dies. This one's kind of cool looking. There's more there. That one's about to open up. Still no fence. Thanks, Lowe's. Now they keep teasing us, saying, "Oh, we'll set it up on Friday." We've gone through 2 Fridays like that now. Still no fence. Or gate. Fence is up, gate's not. Maybe one day. That's about it. Not much else going on. Fig trees over there doing well. The blueberry plant that we planted, it's got a bunch of new green growth on it, so it's looking good. Got some more blueberries coming in soon that were ordered. And then we got a bunch of strawberry starts in that are downstairs. They came in super dry, but we put them in their planters and they already have new green growth and stuff on them. So that'll be good. So I'll have to plant those in some pots this weekend. Yep. And that's it. Till next time.